So if you didn't notice already, we're doing another Under Armour ArmourBox unboxing. Obviously you see I'm decked out in Under Armour gear, where I got this probably in May was the last time I got my last box, and that's when I did my last video on Under Armour unboxing. And the hat I also got, and these are definitely being used. I use them in the gym, I use them going out and doing all this other stuff. So here's my second box. This is unboxing number 2 of the Under Armour unboxing little series I got going, because I'm getting trying to get a box a month from them, if not every other month. So this is July, and as you know, my last vid where I did the phone unboxing for the Samsung, I told you it was my birthday, so I guess this is a birthday gift from Under Armour, which I still have to pay for. So let's get to the unboxing. Enough of me. And by the way, it's your boy Devereaux Davis with another unboxing video. So I'm gonna take my trusty knife out, cut this bad boy open, and let's see what they blessed me with this time. It feels a little sturdy, it feels a little heavy, so it might be sneakers this time. Just got a pair of No Bull gym sneakers, so gym training boots. So wouldn't mind another pair of some Under Armours, if anything. So we're gonna crack this bad boy open. Let's see what we have here. I don't know what's in it, but it's kind of awesome. The suspense is killing me. Ah, shit. Alright, give me 1 second. Boom. Oh, we got sneakers. We got sneakers. We got sneakers. There's sneakers in the building. Alright. So, as usual, they give us a little pamphlet, and it comes with customized little note to you guys. My name's on it, Fitzgerald Davis, but that's my legal name. Everybody know me as Devereaux. So tells you pretty much, they're happy. They let you know who the person that made it for you, Anna Grace. She's been making mines for me. This is the second one that she made for me. So it tells you that. Just basic stuff. It gives you a rundown of the stuff they gave you and the names with it. So and the price of it. So altogether, let me show you the items. I'm going to tell you the subtotal and what it comes to with the discount if I purchase everything in this box. Last time I gave back 2 items, kept 4. This time, let's see how they bless me. So, alright, first thing we have here are some boxer briefs. So, these are boxer jocks. These run, it says 50, actually, sorry. I'm not sure. Compression shorts, awesome. These run $50. So I can wear these outside, just outside the pants. You don't have to wear it under, just to I guess run or whatever. It's summertime. So I see the fit, but I mean it looks kind of awesome. So I might go with these. These are pretty awesome. I might keep these. All right. Let me know if it's a yay or nay. All right. So let's put that to the side, and that's $50. Nice little Under Armour logo right here too. So I'm kind of stoked about that. On to the second item. Got a lot of boxes going here. So these are boxes, Under Armour boxes. These are running me $25. 6-inch boxer jocks. What size is this? Because the waist look kind of wide. It's X large, so it might be a little wide on my waist. But the color is kind of fancy. You might go with it. Summer color is kind of nice. Can't complain. All right, moving on to the next thing. Some shorts, some basketball looking shorts, with the Under Armour insignia right here on the side. These are running for $25 also. Here you are right here. Gray, nice color. Might be a good look. Might be a keeper. Let me know if it's a yay or nay. So far everything's looking great. Can't complain about it. Moving on to the next thing. Okay. Alright, let's see what this is about. So this is a black shirt, obviously $50 for it. It says Rush on the back, kind of nice. It's a nice material, looks like it breathes in the gym. Has the Under Armour insignia right here. It looks like they're changing up the way that they're doing things. They're putting the insignia in certain places different places with the shirt now, or the item, just to switch it up a little bit. So might be a keeper. Gotta see how it fit, because last time I brought back the shirt because I didn't like the way it fit. So this might be a good one to go with. Might match well with the sneakers that they have in the bottom, but I'll save that for last. Alright, going on to the next shirt. Another short sleeve shirt. $25. Nice color. Goes with the shorts also. This is a large also. And of course the classic Under Armour insignia right here on the side. Pretty dope. Like it, can't complain. And let me know if it's a keeper. Yay or nay. Insignia in the back also. Okay? So far I'm impressed with everything that they sent me. I kind of like it and kind of going to go with it. And now last but not least, the sneakers, the kicks. Alright, so I got to try these on. These better be size 12 because that's what I wear, and they are size 12. I was hoping for the Rocks sneakers, but apparently they didn't give me the Rocks sneakers. They gave me Charge Robe. The Rocks are about $150, but these are running sneakers right here, so these are pretty nice. Can't complain about it. I do need some more running sneakers, so I do have to see the fit, see how it fits me, see if I like it, the feel. I got 7 days to try it and decide if I want to keep it. So this is my unboxing, and these are the sneakers that they gave me. And like I said, I have 7 days to try out everything, see if I'm cool with it, see if I want to keep it or not. And if there's certain items I want to keep in it, I keep it. If there's certain items I don't want to keep in it, I send it back to them. But remember, everything comes down to feel, the way it fits in the body. So I have to try everything out. So far, as look, I'm happy with everything I got. So far, it's right up my alley as far as things that I like. The sneakers could be a little bit better. Not really my cup of tea, but it's a nice little trainer right here. I pretty much would have rather the Rocks brand of sneakers, but these are not bad. Probably going to be great for running, so I'll just see the fit and see how it feels, and we'll go from there. All right, so let me run down the prices. So altogether, everything's $255 subtotal. If I keep everything, it's $51 off, which is 20% off, and it runs for $212.42. As far as what I'm bringing back, I don't really see anything yet, but like I said, I have to try everything on. So that was just my quick unboxing. Second box I got from Under Armour, from their ArmourBox series and their ArmourBox service. This was just to help a person that's on the fence or not sure if they want to do the unboxing. If they want to do the ArmourBox with Under Armour. These are some of the items that you'll get from Under Armour, specific to their preference when you sign up for the Under Armour program, and you put your preference in the app. So this is some of the things you can look forward to. My preferences are more towards sporty training stuff, more like baseball, running, weight training, weightlifting, stuff tailored more for the gym. So that's why I'm going to get stuff more like this, more so than stuff that you're going to see wearing just day to day, just being in the street. So look forward to my third box. Maybe it might come in, I'm hoping, end of August, maybe beginning of September. Might be a little bit sooner because I think I told them to speed up the process as far as sending me it more frequently. And if you like what you've seen or what you hear, you like this series, you like the fact that I'm doing the Under Armour unboxing, doing the ArmourBox series, definitely leave a like, subscribe, comment in the bottom to let me know which items are yay and nay, and which ones should I keep or should I send back. I do value your comments and your feedback, and it definitely helps me making a decision to keep looking good. I kept this one from the last one, and I'm gonna keep whatever I like. So once again, this is Deverell Davis with another Under Armour ArmourBox unboxing. Like, subscribe, and definitely peace.